Yeah, it is your turn. You can start, Manmohan Reddy.
Namaste to everybody over there. This is Manmohan Reddy.
Welcome.
I welcome you all once again for this great initiative by our J.B. Rao.
Yeah, I am Dr. TPS, basically a educationalist. I am into academics. I have been pulled into probably this activity by Manmohan Reddy. I belong to a farmer's family. I have got my student Anandu from Kottayam here who lived with me in my hermitage in Kerala. I have love towards agriculture, farming. I understand the Vriksha Ayurveda. I understand little bit of the traditional Vedic culture which we had.
Just a minute. Just ask.
I have muted Rao Garu because of the sound. Maybe you can mute when you speak. I unmuted already. The idea of having this webinar is to bring people who really love farming, who really love the basic agriculture, the tradition which we have. So we had a seminar on August 30th, 13 days back. We had large number of people who all gathered together to listen to few great speakers. We had Subramaniam Raju, Vinod, Srinivas, and we had one of my student who was a entrepreneur, became an entrepreneur after IIT Mumbai, who is into agricultural products, and that came later part. He was also added to discuss. Vikash Jha. He has got in the central and the northern part of India and the coastal Andhra Pradesh, lot of his products being supplied. We know this COVID has made all of us to think towards the healthy life pattern, and it was our fortune when we had August 30th gathering as a common man, a great personality, Dr. GBK Rao, who entered into the webinar to listen to the other people, and with a lot of pressure he started opening up himself, and I thought that was the day I decided I should have a webinar with him, totally dedicated to what Pragati Resort is doing. I was given an impression that Pragati Resort is only a resort like any other resort, but then after listening to him, though I have never visited Pragati Resort, though my two sons had picnic programs there when they were young children, I decided to go through all the videos. I think I have not left any single one. Probably Rao Garu himself would not have seen all of them, because most of them are interviews by different TV people and all that. And that is where I found the wealth of Pragati Resort. I know what the potential, ability, the facility, the commitment, the dedication, all that Dr. Rao has. And he also mentioned that time he is the chairman for the Indian Chamber of Commerce Southern Region on the Committee on Agriculture and Food Processing. So from the agriculture to the basic requirement of a consumer as packed item is under one umbrella, under him in Pragati. That is why I made a poster. I don't know how many of you have really noticed that the center is farmer, extension, research, education, food processing, input supplies from different people that needs to be consolidated, communicate really, connect to people, get all that infrastructure possible all that logistics what is possible, including all the role players, government, NGO, farmers, and the public. I am sure he has a good model. I have seen he has taken the farm to many houses at different places. But that is not good enough. We have large resources. I don't know how many of you have seen that Tamil and Malayalam movie where my age is 39 in Tamil, where the farming was on the rooftop and made a revolution in the agriculture, where the single lady who wanted to even left her husband and child to abroad became single alone, propagating agriculture on the rooftop and got the President's Award. So I'm sure with this time when people are at home, they have a lot of free time, this is the right time to market such a potential. So I have some business idea which I have already shared with Dr. Rao. But then being an academician, I thought that there are a lot of youth people who can contribute, probably much bigger brain than me. They can contribute and come up with some idea. That is where a discussion between me and Dr. Rao came up with a proposal to get some projects generated. The great aspect, many people have studied this. I know some students are in discussion with me, but I found they are missing the main tag sometime. That's why in this brochure I put Ayurveda Martanda for Dr. Rao Garu. He became doctor not because of his mechanical engineering, not because of farming. It is because of his commitment towards the health of the people. And that commitment made him to grow many things which are essential for Ayurvedic potential plants. Every food is a medicine, every medicine is a food. But today people take more medicine as food than the normal food which they have to take. If you want to change this concept, Vaidyaraja Namastubhyam Yamaraja Sahodara, all the doctors are the brothers of Yama. They will give you a bill after treating you. If that condition has to change, I am sure this is a right place to invest time to understand. Morning he had a huge lecture, almost 2.5 hours with the best entrepreneurs, lot of business people, lot of corporate heads, the CEOs of different companies, and I was also present there, where I was suggesting to have a training program for the people to go to Pragati Resort to introduce yourself to the farming which he is doing and then take it to your home. He is a person who is ready to serve the public. He is for a nation building, not for self building. With such a commitment somebody is working, I am sure you must make use of that. So that is one reason I thought he has to talk to all of us, and where we get a opportunity to talk to him. Morning I saw he was not even leaving his telephone number to all the great personality. He said to contact Chamber of Commerce and get it. I am sure now we are getting him in front of us to ask a lot of change, which when he was young, when he did a social service in Orissa, the Chief Minister Biju Patnaik, I think he appointed him as the advisory board member there. So the titles of Dr. Rao, if I start reading, it will become too much. So we have a 5 minutes video on that. That will introduce Dr. Rao perfectly well. We have a concept called When We Live. All the yaga yatna started describing not me getting purified, me getting moksha, me getting shanti, shanti, shanti. All our rituals started with Om Antariksham Shanti, Pradhvishanti, Apashanti, Aushadashanti, Vanaspadayashanti, Vishwo Devo Shanti, Brahmashanti, Sarvam Shanti, Shantireva Shanti, and that was our concept. The whole world has to be in Shanti. Otherwise, no ritual which is part of the Yajurveda chanting, which was never started without having this. The cleaning is not the Panjendriya alone. I have to see with my Indriyas all around. If all around me the environment is not clean, what I can see will be all the dirty things, all the miseries. But if I can clean. That is why every person who is responsible for doing puja has to have a Shanti mantra which is part of the Saptashuddhi. Pranavana vyano dhana samaname shuddhyandam jyotirham virja vibatma bhuya sangha swaha vakmana chachu srotra grana jihwari do buddhya agni sankalpa me shuddhyandam. But how is it possible? When the prana is not, the air is not smooth and clean and good, how can you do that? So, a great concept which Dr. Rao has proposed is the city forest. I wanted to suggest the forest food which he can supply to all of us. So, each house becomes a forest, local forest. And that local forest would have every food what we want. In the traditional Vrikshayurvedam, the style in which how the agriculture was made, probably that we call it today as organic farming or nature farming, but that was part of our farming itself. So then we can have Swastha Vritta, Sadvritta, Achara, Rasayana as part of our daily food. If we can do that, I am sure we will have a good future. This is what the whole aim is. The other day, by chance, I was looking at all the agricultural groups in the Facebook to propagate this flyer. I got, when we approach any public space in the internet, they will also post because they see that you are searching for something agriculture, you get posting reverse from the Google itself. And I got a posting where I got introduced to some person called Himkar Mishra from Bihar. I have shared that link to Dr. Rao. He has nearly a similar concept, but I've seen he is a single individual who is running a institution. But Dr. Rao has got a great institution which is like a MNC company. So I'm sure marketing, getting associated, running it into a business is one of the greatest thing which we can do. So if we can do that, what we get by doing all the puja at home and then praying God is what is Surgam. But what we get is the moksham, which is ultimate. The Ishtapurta Karmam, which is in the Sanatana, which says Vapi Kupatadakani Devatanenani cha Annapradana Mudyanam. Create farm which gives you food. Purtam ityabhidiyate. Ishtam ityabhidiyate. That is what gives you the environmental concept. So I am sure after this webinar, if we can make a real study, learning about Pragati, and if we can part of that Pragati, the progress towards each individual and for the nation, for the society, it will be a great service. So we will listen to Dr. Rao's introduction video. Then we will go for a presentation from Dr. Rao. And then we will have interaction. So 4:15 is the time I thought the video should start. We are sharp at 4:15. Maybe by 4:40 we will finish the presentation and the videos, 10 minutes of video and maybe 15 to 20 minutes of presentation. Then we will have, as long as we want, we will have interaction as long as Dr. Rao is tired. But you can see his energy after morning 3 or 4 hours of session. He is very smart, like a fresh 10 o'clock Surya Rashmi. He is pleasantly sitting and then discussing. So I'm sure he will open up for discussions and he will be available to us. So Narayan Garu from Pragati could play the video.
I'm starting.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Good.
Right.